can you solve this math challenge? Here's the question. If x equals 1 plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 4 squared plus 1 over 5 squared and so on and so forth, then what is the value of this expression in terms of x? 1 plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 4 squared plus 1 over 6 squared plus 1 over 8 squared and so on and so forth. Now you can pause this video if you want to give this problem a try. Now suppose you pause this video. Now let's see if you get the correct answer. Alright, so to answer this question, now our goal in this question is to rewrite this expression in terms of x. So what we're going to do is to let this expression right over here be equal to a variable, and let's call this as y. So the entire expression must be equal to variable y. Next, what we're going to do is to subtract 1 on both sides. So we have y minus 1 equals 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 4 squared and so on and so forth. And now, this 4, we can write this as 2 times 2. And this 6, we can write this as 2 times 3. And of course, this 8, we can write this as 2 times 4. Next, we will use some laws of exponent. Take note, when we have a times b raised to the power of c, we can write this as a raised to the power of c times b raised to the power of c. So, this expression, 2 times 2 raised to the power of 2, we can write this as 2 squared times 2 squared. Also, this 2 times 3 raised to the power of 2, we can write this as 2 squared times 3 squared. And we can do this in this expression also, 2 times 4 raised to the power of 2. Now, we can split this 1 over 2 squared times 2 squared as follows. We have 1 over 2 squared times 1 over 2 squared. We can also do the same thing in this expression, 1 over 2 squared times 3 squared. And of course, we can do the same thing in this expression. And now take note, we can multiply this 1 over 2 squared by 1, and the value is still the same. Now, why we do that? Because take note, we can see a common factor of 1 over 2 squared. Let's color this with blue. So we have a common factor of 1 over 2 squared. And what we're going to do with the common factor? Of course, factor the common factor. And if we do that, we get 1 over 2 squared multiplied by 1 plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 4 squared and so on and so forth. Now, this looks familiar because the value of x must be equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 3 squared plus 1 over 4 squared and so on and so forth. Alright, so going back to our equation, so let's replace this with its factored form. Now, let's simplify. This 2 raised to the power of 2, we know this is just 4. And why not? Let's add 1 on both sides to get the value of y. Now, this is very interesting because this expression right over here is just x. So we can replace this with x. And there you go. We rewrite this expression because this is just y. We rewrite this expression in terms of x. And this is equivalent to 1/4 x plus 1. Therefore, the value of 1 plus 1 over 2 squared plus 1 over 4 squared plus 1 over 6 squared plus 1 over 8 squared and so on and so forth must be equal to 1/4 x plus 1. And as always, we are done.